Hello everyone, I'm Vijay from Vijay Academics. Today I'll be going to share the updated syllabus of class 9th and the subject is mathematics. Let us check what has been given in this syllabus as per the official site of curriculum. So first is what we are going to see is what is being added. So first lesson, arithmetic progression has been added, geometric progression. This is the second lesson. Then the third lesson, probability, will be the separate chapter. Now, areas related to circle, जो है, that is expanded, pair of linear equation, full coverage, and stronger mensuration and Heron's formula. This all, these all changes are there related to chapters. Which chapters are being added और कौन से chapters जो है वो expand किए गए हैं. Next is what's deleted and reduced. अब इसमें देखें क्या क्या delete किया है and reduce किया है. तो first है remainder theorem. It has been deleted. Then some graphical exercises, detailed classical constructions, certain real numbers, magnification methods. All these topics have been deleted. Now, what is the big change for the academic session 2026-27? Chapters increased from 12 to 15. If you will see last year's book, then 12 chapters are there. But right now, total 15 chapters will be there. Then more advanced concepts introduced earlier. Then focus on conceptual and application-based learning. What this means for students. Stronger foundation for class 10th. Early exposure to higher level algebra. Need deeper understanding, not rote learning. Class 9th is now more conceptual and structured. Students must focus on understanding, clarity, and regular practice. This is all about mathematics syllabus. Update of current year 2026 and 27.